Hi guys, and welcome to another video. The adventure scooter segment is about to get bigger and more competitive. First popularized by Honda with the offerings like XADB and the ADB 150, we've seen many other brands join the rapidly growing segment. Yamaha has one, though it's not available here. Suzuki has two in both underbone and scooter form. The next challenger to arrive appears to be Kymco. Ahead of its world premiere and international press conference scheduled for November 26, Kymco has released a teaser video for this exciting new product. I'm not quite sure what it will be called yet, but it's likely to carry the exciting name. What I do know is that it's the production version of the CV2 concept first revealed at EICMA 2017. Kymco calls it an adventure tourer that hopes to offer the luxury of discovery. The CV2 is one of two new scooters that will share common platform. It will be built on a lightweight aluminum frame designed to handle tougher weather and road conditions. It will be paired with a front upside-down fork and a newly designed rear fork and exclusive adventure-oriented tires. Powering it is an engine with a power output higher than the AK 550, so it's likely to be at least 500cc or even larger. This will be paired with a CVT transmission. Kymco said they will also mount the radiator in the front for better cooling and longer hours of operations. It also been designed with passengers in mind. The adventure scooter will be equipped with a specially designed seat that comes with an adjustable backrest. It provides great support for different physique of riders. When it was first revealed, the CB2 was also accompanied by the CB3 concept, a leaning three-wheel version of the same scooter. I am not quite sure if this will be launched as well, but I certainly hope so. Rest assured, I'll keep you posted as soon as I find out. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.